Good morning, children. Today we are going to start about the world of microorganisms part 2. Microorganisms, our friends or foes. So we have completed part 1 successfully. Today we are going to start part 2. Yes. So in this we will learn about the microorganisms. Microorganisms are present everywhere. They are found in air, water, soil, within the bodies of animals and plants, and over the surface as well. It is cosmopolitan in distribution, children. Microorganisms are present everywhere. Some of the microorganisms are very useful and helpful to us in many ways, and some of the microorganisms are very harmful to us, isn't it? So today let's study with the useful microorganisms. So some organisms are very useful in our day to day life, like microorganism is used in the preparation of curd. Lactobacilli is a bacteria which helps in the preparation of curd. So curd is very important, isn't it, in our diet? So in our day to day life we use curd so much. And it also used, microorganisms are also useful in the preparation of idli and dosas, children. So when your mama is preparing the idli dosa batter, dosa idli batter one day before, so next morning when you observe that batter, it will be like fluffy. So this is known as fermentation. So it helps in the process of fermentation. So after that you can prepare a nice idli. See, preparation of idli with the help of microorganisms only. So once when your mother is preparing idli batter or dosa batter, why don't you see, once after next day, just see the batter, you will see it gets fermented just because of microorganisms. So even the preparation of dosa, children, even the preparation of dosa and preparation of bread, you people like to have bread, butter, bread jam, sandwich, these all things. How you are getting bread? So yes, microorganisms are useful in the preparation of bread. Next, your yummy cakes, preparation of cakes. This also is done by microorganism. Without microorganism, cakes are not prepared. Yes. Next, preparation of medicines, children. Very importantly, for each and every disease, medicines are very important to cure the patient's disease. So, from small cough to fever to big diseases, medicines are very important. So, these medicines are also prepared by microorganisms, like penicillin. These all things are prepared by the microorganisms. Some of them microorganisms are farmer friendly, children, as they increase soil fertility. So if the soil, they will fix the nitrogen. Some of the microorganisms will fix nitrogen, like rhizobium and all. So this increases the soil fertility. What happens if the fertility is increased? You will get a good crop production, there will be a good yield, isn't it? So in this way also microorganisms are very important. So let us do some activities to know how microbes are useful to us, children. So we will see this activity. So before that we will go in detailed, just synopsis what we have discussed: the uses of microorganisms, making of curd, preparation of idli, preparation of dosa, preparation of bread, baking cakes, preparation of medicines. To increase soil fertility, for everything we require microorganisms. Yes, coming to the activity to know how microbes are useful to us. So aim of the experiment is preparation of curd. Apparatus: lukewarm milk, little curd or buttermilk, glass, spoon. Coming to the procedure of the experiment, children. So take some lukewarm milk in 2 small bowls. Add a few drops of buttermilk or little curd in one of the bowl. In the second bowl, do not add anything. Keep the 2 bowls in a warm place and observe the milk in the bowl after 5 to 6 hours. What change did you observe? What is the reason for this? So the glass which in which we are adding curd or buttermilk will turn into a curd because there is a formation of lactobacilli. Lactobacilli bacteria helps in the formation of curd, children. So the observation is hence curd is formed in this way. So result will be curd or buttermilk contains bacterium named as lactobacilli, children. So lactobacilli converts the milk into curd. Yes, this is the result of the experiment. Coming to this, what are the benefits of useful bacteria? Write a procedure on the preparation of curd. These are the two questions given for the assignment. Complete your class task. I hope you understood the class and enjoyed the class. Thank you.